to my honorable viewers. Today we are going to see the very shortcut way of the multiplication tables. It is very useful to the average and below average students. Once you can watch this full video, after you can easily remember the multiplication tables to your entire life without memorizing. Okay, now let us see the multiplication table. Already we know that the numerical alphabet is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total number of numerical alphabet is 10, which implies now we are going to see the ninth table. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, which implies 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. It is used for stage level. The stage and level and result is the very important tips of this shortcut multiplication table. So first of all we see the stage. First stage is 1 to 10 because here 10 divided by 1 is 10. So we use the stage. First stage is 1 to 10 and second stage is 11 to 20 and third stage is 21 to 30 and etc. At the same time level is the fixed. First level is 1 to 10, second level is 11 to 20, third level is 21 to 30 and etc. So we find out the result is stage and level comparison. The first digit of the result is 10 minus stage. First digit of the result is 10 minus stage and the other digit of the result is stage into level value minus stage value. Once again repeat, we find out the first digit value is 10 minus stage and the other digit value is stage into level value minus stage value. Stage for here, this is the stage and level value is, now we see the ninth table. So the ninth table value is 1 because 9 is lies between 1 and 10 and the stage value. The stage value means here 1 to 10 comes to the first stage. So if you are see the 1 to 10 we use the first and then if you are use the 11 to 20 we use the second stage. Okay, let us see the table. 1 into 9, 1 9s are 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9. This is the first digit of the result. You see that the first digit of the result is 10 minus stage. 10 minus stage is here 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and then the first stage of 2 9s are 10 minus 2 is 8 and 10 minus 3 is 7 and 10 minus 4 is 6 and 10 minus 5 is 5 and 10 minus 6 is 4 and 10 minus 7 is 3 and 10 minus 8 is 2 and 10 minus 9 is 1 and 10 minus 10 is 0. These are the first digit of the result and then other digits. So we want to the other digit. First of all you see that stage into level value. Stage is 1 and level value is 1 because the level is here. This 9 is lies between 1 to 10. So we take the level value is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and then minus stage value. Now 1 is the first stage. Here 1 to 10 is the first. So 1 is the lies between 1 to 10. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and then stage is 2 and level value is 1 minus stage value is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 4 into 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Here 5 into 1 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 6 into 1 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. Here 7 into 1 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. Here 8 into 1 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 into 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 10 into 1 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Here we use the same procedure to the second stage. Now 11 is the second stage. The 11 is the second stage. 11 to 20 all numbers comes to the second stage, and the 9 is as usual first level. So we want to the first digit of the result. Here 1, here also first digit of the result is 9. Here 2, here also 8. Here 3, 3, 4, sorry. Here 3, 7, because 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Here 4, so 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 5, 5. Here 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 0, 0. These are the 10 minus stage of the first digit. And then the other digit of the result value. The other digit of the result value is stage into level value minus stage value. So stage is 11 and level value is here 1, and the stage value is 11 is the second stage. So 2. So 11 into 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Here 12 into 1 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. Here 13 into 1 is 13. 13 minus 1 is 12. And then 14 into 1 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 13 into 1 is 13. 13 minus 1 is 11. 14 into 1 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. Here 15 into 1 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. Here 16 into 1 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. 17 into 1 is 17. 17 minus 2 is 15. And then 18 into 1 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. And then 19 into 1 is 19. 19 minus 2 is 17. 20 into 1 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. Because 11 is the second stage value and 9 is the first level value. So 11 into 1. See the other digit. Stage into level value. Stage into level value 1. 11 into 1 minus stage value. Stage is 11 is the 11 to 20 is the second stage. So minus 2. So 11 into 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 12 minus 2 is 10. 13 minus 2 is 11. 14 minus 2 is 12. 15 minus 2 is 13. 16 minus 2 is 14. 17 minus 2 is 15. 18 minus 2 is 16. 19 minus 2 is 17. 20 minus 2 is 18. At the same time, if you want to the other numbers, suppose 23 into 9 is equal to here 3. So first digit is 7. 23 into 1 is 23 because 9 is the first level value. 23 is the third stage value. So 23 minus 3, that is equal to 20. So 23 into 9 is 207. Now let us apply the same procedure to the 19th table. You can see that 1/19s are how much? So first of all we know that 19 is a second level value. 19 is a second level value. So we must multiply the stage into 2, and then 1 to 10 is a first stage value. So subtract 1. So now go to the multiplication table. 1/19, here 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 is the result value of the first digit. And then 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 10, 0. These are the first digit value. Already we know that how to find out the first digit value. 10 minus stage. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7, up to 10 minus 9 is 1, 10 minus 10 is 0. These are the first digit of the result. And then other digit value, and then we will find out the other digit value. So other digit value is stage into level value minus stage value. So stage is 1 and level value, level 19 is the second stage. So level value is 2. Upon 1 into 2 minus stage value 1 to 10 is the first stage. So 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 2 into 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 into 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 6 into 2 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, 7 into 2 is 14, 14 minus 1 is 13, and 8 into 2 is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15, and 9 into 2 is 18, 18 minus 1 is 17, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 minus 1 is 19. At the same procedure, we will imply the second level. So here 11 into 19, 11 is the second stage value. So we subtract the 2. So 11 into 2, because 19 is the second level. So we will multiply the 11 into 2. So 11 into 2 is 22. 11 is the second stage. So subtract 2. So 22 minus 2 is 20. And the first value of the result is here 1, here 9, here 2, here 8, here 3, here 3, 7, here 4, here 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 0, 0. These are the first digit value of the result. And the other digit value. So 11 into 2 is 22. 11 is the second stage. So subtract 2. 22 minus 2 is 20. Here 2 into 12 is 24. 24 minus 2 is 22. Here 2 into 13 is 26. 26 minus 2 is 24. Here 14 into 2 is 28. 28 minus 2 is 26. Here 15 into 2 is 30. 30 minus 2 is 28. Here 16 into 2 is 32. 32 minus 2 is 30. Here 17 into 2 is 34. 34 minus 2 is 32. Here 18 into 2 is 36. 36 minus 2 is 34. Here 19 into 2 is 38. 38 minus 2 is 36. Here 20 into 2 is 40. 40 minus 2 is 38. If you want to the same method continue to the 29, 39, 59, anything also can be. Some more examples of the same procedure. Suppose anybody asking 25 into 19 how much? Now we check the first digit of stage is 5. So the result value of the first digit also a 5. Okay, done. And then 19 is the second level value. So we multiply the 25 from 2. So 25 into 2 is 50. At the same time 25 is the third stage value. So we will subtract the 3 from 50. 50 minus 3 is equal to 47. We have to continue the same procedure into the any other number also. Thank you very much. If you have to feel about this video is useful to yourself, please like and share. At the same time, you want to see my Solar Math channel videos regularly, you have to subscribe and click that bell icon. Thank you very much.